websites that feel illegal to know. Creator Edition. We will start with the sleeping giant. You've heard all about it. If you haven't, you hear about it right now. You hear me? You hear about it right now. Chat GPT, created by OpenAI. This site alone is your bottom B. She do anything you ask her to. For example, let's say as a creator, or just whatever, let's go back to the main example of basket weaving, just because whatever. So here we'll say, hey, Chat GPT, give me 10 topics about basket weaving. Ooh, okay, that's regular. Hey, can you elaborate on those? Ooh, that's even fancier. So from here, don't just copy paste, but take those ideas and kind of run with them and put your own spin on it. And you can do this for any niche, any topic, any business. You can have it elaborate. It can write you emails, content, scripts, whatever the case is. Use wisely. And again, do not copy and just transfer to wherever. Just take the inspiration, create your own from it, so that way you're not flagged by by Google or whoever in the future by just stealing AI content. So again, just get the gist and then make it your own from there. It's too easy. Let's go.